Well, this was basically a waste of time. There is not a single part that's good on this engine. The block has holes all the way through it. It's a nice little window there. Let's see what else. So the block is trash. The crank is basically trash. I mean, if one really needed one, I'm sure they could save it, but then even here it's chipped, and then this rod bearing right here is cooked on there. It's cooked, and then there's a little piece there from that bearing. All the pistons are cracked and broken, especially number 2 here. This thing right here actually blew up into pieces. I'm not even sure where the rod is from that. Somewhere in that bin over there, I'm guessing. Number 3 piston actually survived, but I'm sure there's a crack somewhere that I don't see, and basically is trash. The head, I think it got so hot that it warped for sure. And as a matter of fact, a couple of the head bolts I could barely get out because of the melted aluminum on top or around the bolt. So the head's trash. The front cover actually survived somehow, and I'm able to use that, which I don't really need. I have like 4 of those. Turbo's trash. Cams are basically trash because they got so hot. I'm sure they're warped. So this was a complete waste of time, but it's cool taking stuff apart because you get to learn something. Why this engine failed, not even sure, but I've never seen all 4 pistons, well, all 3 pistons, 3 out of 4 pistons actually crack and blow up like that. This even broke in half with the crank, I'm guessing. Crank and the rod slapped it and broke it. All this stuff we're looking at is basically going to the scrap, and it's okay. Well, I have a couple more engines that I can use if I need, but that's gonna be it. Later.